All right, we're taking a look at my Nintendo Switch today. This is a super fun on-the-go console. So I was most appealed to this gaming system because there's multiple ways to use it. So you can use it handheld mode, kind of how I have it set up here, tabletop or TV mode. So we're gonna grab a game and just kind of demo it for explanation purposes. So I've placed in a Mario Party game, personally one of my absolute favorites, especially when you're playing like a two-player game on here. So each Joy-Con is on each side, so you got a left and right one on there, which gives you a ton of gameplay flexibility. So you can have them attached like I am here to play that way. With this Mario Party though, you do actually slide out the controller and hold it sideways. Depending if you're doing the sound stage or just their regular mini games, it will vary as to how you actually move the controller using it. So I'm just selecting single player here because it's just me. And I'm just playing it on my screen. But you can see mine's just laid out on the counter, but there is actually a little stand at the back of the screen that you can pull out to have it be a little on-the-go screen. So here's a closer look at the Joy-Cons. Obviously, you've got all your standard buttons on there. They will vary depending on what game you're playing, but you pretty much use the whole device. And of course, there is a ton of accessories that you can place those in if you want to expand upon that controller or place it into a whole controller holder. There's endless ways that you can expand on these. So really cool. You can even find a little top piece with a band to keep it more secure around your wrist as well. So very cool. There's many ways to play multiplayer games on here. You can connect this to your big screen, obviously, play with your friends at home. You can also link up this whole system to be able to play multiplayer games online with other game players, so online plays. Really fun. This is the sound stage that I'm just demoing here, which really is like a lot of wrist movements. Right here we're just doing like a fist pump, but like the sound stage levels on this game are a total workout. So kind of fun if you want something that you want to like get up. It kind of reminds me of the Wii. I used to have like Wii Sports and stuff, so kind of similar in that you're batting and playing games, but with your favorite Mario characters. So here we are, baseball or batting a ball, basically, which is so fun when you're playing it against other people. This is like, the sound stage is super fun if you're hosting. Then I have it over just to the regular kind of standard Mario Play mini game mode. Really a cool device. Definitely check it out.